In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make CV in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're starting from scratch or polishing an existing resume, PowerPoint is a great tool for a clean, visual, and professional CV. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can create something that looks sharp and is easy to update. First, open PowerPoint and choose either a blank presentation or a CV or resume template. Templates give you a head start with layout and fonts, while a blank file offers full control. If you choose a template, pick one that's simple and modern so your content remains the focus. If you go blank, delete any extra placeholders you don't need to keep things tidy. Use the title slide to introduce yourself clearly. Add your full name at the top, your profession or target role beneath it, and your key contact details. Keep your name prominent and easy to scan. Aim for concise information. An email, a city and country, and a portfolio or professional profile link if you have one. Keep the spacing comfortable and avoid clutter. Next, add slides for the core sections of your CV. Go to Home, then New Slide, and create slides for education, work experience, skills, and achievements. Give each slide a clear heading. In Work Experience, list roles in reverse chronological order, highlighting responsibilities and measurable results. In Education, include degrees, institutions, and dates. For Skills, group related abilities together so they're easier to read. Achievements can include awards, certifications, or notable projects. To present information clearly, use text boxes, icons, and smart art. Insert text boxes to build simple columns and align content precisely. Use icons to add small visuals for contact details or skills, keeping them minimal and consistent in color. Smart art can turn lists into structured visuals. For example, a process or timeline layout works well for career progression or education. Keep visuals supportive, not distracting. Apply a consistent design theme via Design, then Themes. Choose a clean theme, then adjust colors and fonts if needed. Stick to one accent color and one or two professional fonts. Make sure headings, body text, and spacing are consistent across all slides to maintain a cohesive look. Finally, review your layout and content for clarity. Align elements neatly, check spacing, and proofread carefully. Save your work as a PPTX so you can edit later. When you're ready to share, go to File, Export, and select Create PDF for a polished, shareable version. Your PowerPoint CV is now ready to make a strong impression.